Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up internet connection on JVC Smart TV. To this, first you will need to click on the home button on your remote. That way you should see something like I have on my TV. Then we can navigate using the arrows to the right top corner of our screen and select the settings. Then first option in general settings is network and internet. We can click on OK. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. Now we can select whichever Wi-Fi network you want to connect with. In this case, we're going to go with this one. Now enter a password for the Wi-Fi if it's protected by one. And after you enter proper password, we can click on OK. And here's our TV connected with the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.